Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can self-install Xfinity Wi-Fi. So I'll be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. So the first thing you have to make sure is that whether the household has a pre-built coaxial outlet or not, and in case if the household contains one, so what you need to do is you need to attach the one end of the coaxial cable to the wall outlet. So then on the step 2, what you need to do is you need to take the other end of the cable and then plug them into Xfinity gateway. And once you do that, you've successfully set up. So while you're trying to self-install it, you need to keep these points in mind. In case if you're using a modem and a router or the Xfinity compilable mesh as a two separate devices, make sure that you've got ether cable of the desired length to connect them, and that way you'll be able to customize or adjust the placement of your router according to the home layout and requirement. So that is how you can self-install Xfinity Wi-Fi, and this is what the setup will look like. So that is how you can self-install Xfinity Wi-Fi. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.